Sorry. There are no unicorns with folding chair rocket launchers. However, we do have schmexy prawns flavored highway cookies with a horde of infected, and, of course, the NEDM cat in the AT-AT. Evil face. Oh shit. 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 Fuck. Penguins. I knew I should not have eaten all those damn chocolate tacos. Now I'm thinking of all these random things. Oh look, it's a gas station sign. Let's read. Regular, 1 cent. How cheap. Plus, $500. Holy fuck. Supreme, $9,000. Oh, 10 knows, it's over 9,000. OMG WTF BBQ. Come on in and eat some shrimp tacos while getting communist rolled. Oh, dear God. Excuse me a moment. If you encounter a mountain lion, face lion, back away slowly. Be large. Shout. Offer any handy small children. Run away while lion eats. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is way too goddamn funny. Diarrhea. Oh wow. That was the funniest thing I'd read in ever. XDDD lols. Honorific vest. While meeting the fire alarm, please not to multiply to use the elevator. What do I have to multiply by? 0. XDDDDDDD dump. Windows 3 choices now gives you 3 options. Choose below. But we will make you have an epic spaz, because Karma Charger is not amused. Damn it. I will not have an epic spaz, and there is nothing you can do to make it suffer.